In this video, I will show you how you can import any media file in Apple Motion. So let's see how we can do this thing. Once you open Apple Motion, then you will find this type of import button is there. Just click over there and it will bring this type of menu. From here, choose import media. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will open the Explorer or Finder to import that file. My file is located inside download, so I'm going to click downloads, and from here I'm going to choose the file. So this is the file I'm going to import, silent partner blue skies. So this one, once I select it, we have to press this import button. Once we click import button, it will be imported. Now how we can check? We can click here audio, we'll see our media file is there, which is the mp3 or some wave file. And also here you will see inside this timeline, sometimes you will not see over there. To see the audio inside this timeline, we just need to click this audio icon. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be showing like this. Now if we try to play, it will play like this. And that's it. In this way we can easily import the audio file with our motion template.